Hello and welcome all of you. You're watching K Commerce Academy with me, Kunal Singhal. Today, I am again available for you all with one more mock viva. Today, we are going to conduct a mock viva on the topic of marketing management, and Mr. Ayush Garg is going to appear for that. So, without wasting much time, let's start with that. Good afternoon, Ayush.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, just give a short brief about yourself.
So my name is Aishkar. I am a class plus two commerce from Sir Malod, Punjab, Holy Angel School. Sir, I have prepared my BSc project on marketing management on noodles.
Some more brief description about your project.
Uh, sir, I have chosen this project, sir. Is actually, sir, mostly people are very fond of noodles. Sir, I also love it, and sir, it is easily available, and usually, sir, need shorter time to cook.
What is the USP of your product? Because as you know,
Sir,
in
feel the
market already many brands are available of noodles. Already many brands are available. What is the USP of your product?
sir, feel the goodness of 100% taste.
No, dear.
Sir, my
Actually, whatever you are saying, it is a tagline. Feel the goodness of 100% taste. This is a tagline. I'm asking, what is the unique selling product proposition of your product?
Sir, I have written this only. Feel the goodness of 100% taste.
Let me
And sir, my
explain.
tagline is fast to cook and ready to serve.
Let me explain my question once again. Suppose I'm consuming noodles of Maggi, or I am
Yes, sir.
consuming noodles of Patanjali. Fine. Now, why should I buy your product? What is the special quality in your product? Is there any special ingredient? Is there any USP in your product?
Sorry, sir. I didn't
How will
get
you
you.
convince me that this product has this special quality feature or this special ingredient? That's why this is different from the other noodles available in the market. So, any unique selling proposition?
Sir, as it is available in sir many brands, sir further also classified sir into sir veg atta noodles or atta noodles, sir according to different prices, sir,
Okay.
and has its own unique taste.
Okay, let me ask one more another question. You must have set
Yes, sir.
price of your product. While setting the price of your product, what
Yes, sir.
main factors you have considered?
Sir, first of all, I have to see sir pricing objectives, sir how to grow the market, and sir I also have to consider the market forces of demand and supply, sir, in the market, and sir also in need to consider the government policies whether it has been changed or not, and I also have to see further the competitors' price whether to bring customer to bring my product. So and these factors I will consider while setting up my product price.
I think cost of production should also be considered at a prime importance.
Yes, sir. Cost of production, sir. If yes, sir. So cost of production and fixed cost and sir both variable cost I will consider. Sir, I will try to make survival in the market and earn more profit, and which must exceed the cost of production.
Okay. You must have read about the marketing strategies or the marketing philosophies. There is production
Yes, sir.
philosophy, after that product, then selling, then marketing, and lastly the societal concept was there. So which marketing philosophy you have used for your product?
Sir, both sir marketing and social. Sir, as we do not sir use any harmful ingredients, and sir in an ethical way this is prepared, and sir we have to keep marketing concept as to sir satisfy the need of the consumer, and according to his needs and wants, sir we have prepared our product, and sir there is no sir aggressive selling, and sir if customer likes, sir he buys the product.
So from the societal concept point of view, what steps your company is taking?
Sir, it is environment friendly. Sir, we are not using the sir harmful packets like that. Sir, it will destroy the under ingredients. And sir, basically, uh, sir, no any harmful ingredients are used. Sir, earlier Maggie was banned in India, so due to the substance found in it, and So that's why, sir. Simple preparation and keeping
One
in
very
view the
small question
social
is
needs
there.
of the.
I hope you must be able to answer. What do you mean by zero effect? Have you
What
heard
do you
this
mean by
term? Zero effect. What do you mean by
zero
zero
effect?
effect?
Sir, I have heard this, sir, but not completely know to
It's a
answer.
very simple one. It just means, as you just answer societal concept, you are using eco-friendly methods and all. So it just means that your product do not have any negative impact over the environment. That is called zero effect.
Yeah.
No negative environment, no negative effect over the environment. That is called zero effect. Okay. Now, what channel of distribution you have chosen? Which
Sir, I
level
have
of channel
chosen
of
sir,
distribution you have chosen?
sir, sir two-level channel.
Two-level channel. Just describe
Sir,
them.
basically, sir, first, yes, sir, firstly, sir, manufacturer, sir, on, and sir, it will, so the wholesalers, so then retailers, and then we finally it is delivered to the consumers.
So wholesaler and retailer, two mediators you have taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what are the modes of transport that you are using for your product?
Sir, uh, sir, usually the sir truck. So first of all, to deliver the this cartoons to the sir wholesalers, and then sir retailers buy these cartoons or in small quantities from wholesalers, and then it is finally delivered to the
Wait,
consumers.
wait. Let me repeat the question. What modes of transport you are using? I asked what modes of transport you are using. Okay, let me give an example. Airways, railways, roadways,
Sir, roadways,
waterways. What mode
roadways,
of transport you are
roadways,
using?
sir, roadways.
Roadways you are using. Fine. As you already
Yes, sir.
said, truck.
Roadways.
Okay. And how many levels of packaging you are using? Levels of packaging.
So how many labels? Sir, usually
Levels
sir it
of
carries the
packaging.
information sir like manufacturing date, batch number,
No,
and
that is
expiry date.
labeling. That is labeling. My
The
question
tags.
is,
Sir, you
how
asked me.
many levels of packaging? There are three levels of packaging, if you remember.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about that. Primary
Okay,
packaging.
sir, with primary packaging, sir, secondary packaging, and sir, finally, sir, it is packed into cartoons or sir, three levels. Sir,
Okay,
firstly,
so
sir, Maggie is packed in packets, and
this third one, that is when we pack the product in the cartoons. What this level is known as? This level of packaging is known as what?
sir,
Think. You will be able to
sir,
answer. You know that. Just think over it.
that's, sir,
When
primary,
we pack the
secondary,
product
and
in the cartoon, what this level of packaging is known as?
sir, tertiary packaging,
Transport. Transport packaging.
transport packaging. Sorry, sir.
Primary packaging, secondary packaging, and transportation packaging. Fine. So when we
Yes, sir.
pack our product in the cartoons, that is called transport packaging. Okay. And what is the brand name of your product?
Sir, power noodles.
Have you acquired some licenses or
Yes, sir.
registrations? What
It's a
license you have to
pollution and
acquire?
license. So from FSSAI. So firstly, we have to sir, register to the NOC and ROC, sir, and then we have to obtain the license through the NOC. So after filing the complete details, and sir, we have obtained this brand mark.
Great.
The
You have
trademark
performed well,
pending.
Ayush. You have given nice answers. One more question I would like to ask lastly. What main problems did you find, or what main constraints did you face while preparation of this project? What hurdles you encountered?
Uh, so basically, sir, collecting the sir raw materials. Sir, this noodle preparation is so difficult, but it is easier to cook. So it is firstly we have to prepare the sir dough and sir to leave it for for long duration, and sir to make the sticky noodles and long noodles from it in elastic,
No,
so
let
the
me repeat
consumers
my
will like.
question once again. Let me repeat my question once again. I asked, when you prepared this project file, you must have taken
Okay,
some
okay.
15 to 20 days in preparation of this project file. So
Yes, sir.
what difficulties or what hurdles did you encountered while preparation of this project? Because preparation of project is not an easy task. So you must have encountered some difficulties. So what were those?
No, sir, not so much difficulty, sir. Actually, I have written the contents which I have to specify in my project file, and sir, basically, sir, how to define my project, how I, sir, reasons, and sir, its competitors in the market, and sir, permission and licensing. Sir, all this information I got from sir my friends and my sir parents, also my school teachers also helped me a lot, and sir through the internet sources also.
So great, fantastically you have performed, and I just wish you all the very best for your main Viva examinations also. And any question if you would like to ask, any query is there in
No,
your
sir.
mind regarding this practical examinations?
No. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, actually, sir, I have not prepared, sir, well, sir, because sir, I am having three boards. So, sorry, sir. That's why.
No, still you performed very nicely. And
Thank you,
even
sir.
in accountancy also, if you would like to appear, you can just message me and we can conduct the
Yes, sir.
mock Viva for accountancy also at a later stage.
Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you. Yes,
So
sir.
all the
Thank you
very
so much,
best
sir.
for your
Thank you.
main examinations. Thank you, dear. God bless.